Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Dewalt Tool Combo is probably one of the most versatile and reliable tool sets on the market, perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. In this video, we will deep dive into what makes this combo stand out from the rest, exploring its features, performance, and overall value, helping you decide if it's the right investment for your needs. Number 5. Dewalt DCK240C2 Combo Kit. This combo kit is a powerhouse, featuring a drill and impact driver to tackle any job. It's perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It has a 2-speed transmission for versatility, offering 0 to 450 or 0 to 1500 RPM to match your needs. This ensures optimal performance on various materials. The high-performance motor delivers 300 UWO of power. It easily handles tough applications, making quick work of even the most challenging tasks. Its compact and lightweight design allows it to fit into tight spaces. You'll have the power you need without sacrificing maneuverability. The 1/2-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck provides a tight grip on bits, and the ergonomic handle ensures comfort and control during extended use. The impact driver is equally impressive, boasting a compact and lightweight design. It's ideal for tight spaces and reduces fatigue. Changing bits is a breeze with the one-handed loading 1/4-inch hex chuck. It accepts 1-inch bit tips for maximum versatility. The integrated LED light ring provides shadow-free illumination, ensuring you can work efficiently even in dimly lit areas. The 20-second delay is a thoughtful addition for convenience. What we like. This combo kit boasts a high-performance motor and compact design, perfect for tackling various tasks in tight spaces. Its ergonomic handle ensures comfortable and controlled operation. If you need power and precision in a compact package, this is the kit for you. What people say. The impact driver works great and will save wear and tear on his regular drill. So many cordless tools are being sold raw, without a battery, so the fact that this set came with 2 batteries makes it a great value. Plus, the batteries came fully charged. Hubby loved the carrying bag as well, and it has plenty of room to add his other Dewalt drill, batteries, and accessories so that everything is in one place. These drivers are just miles above in power, battery life, and functionality. I was able to put up all of my shutters on a single charge of a single battery on the entire house without any noticeable drop in performance. The impact driver is surprisingly powerful for its size. The impact driver though is a lightweight little beast. 3 LEDs surround the chuck light the work area. It has good torque and power. And has a belt clip. Number 4. Dewalt 10 Tool Combo Kit DCK1020D2. This kit is a game changer for any serious DIYer or professional. It has everything you need to tackle any job, big or small. It features a high-speed transmission with 2 speeds for versatile fastening and drilling. You'll get the job done quickly and efficiently. This impact driver has a one-handed loading system for its 1/4-inch hex chuck. Changing bits is a breeze. The keyless blade clamp makes blade changes fast and safe. No more fumbling with tools. This LED flashlight illuminates your work area with 110 lumens. It's bright enough for any job, day or night. With a max airflow of 100 CFM, it's perfect for clearing debris quickly and easily. Cleanup is a snap. This saw's 6 to 1/2-inch carbide blade cuts through 2x4s at a 45-degree angle in one pass. It's powerful and precise. It runs on Dewalt 12V20V Max * batteries and has Bluetooth 4.0 for your favorite tunes. Enjoy your work even more. What we like. With 10 tools included, this kit offers incredible versatility for a wide range of projects. The bright flashlight and powerful blower are added bonuses for enhanced visibility and workspace management. If you're looking for a comprehensive set to handle any job, this is the ideal choice. What people say. A cornucopia of 20-volt DeWalt battery-operated tools that are top quality and reliable. Comes with starter sample blades, batteries, a charger and really nice Dewalt zippered tote bags to get you going right away. So many tools, some of which I never thought I would need, but surprisingly, I have used every single tool. Great quality, long-lasting battery power. This is a great way to jump into this model. Purchasing bundle tools will always give you better pricing, and this bundle is no different. This is a great value. I've used the circular saw, oscillating saw, vacuum, blower, and drill driver with no issues. It's Dewalt quality in my opinion. Number 3. Dewalt DCK661D1M1 Combo Kit. This kit is a game changer for any DIY enthusiast or professional contractor. It's packed with power and versatility to tackle any job. It's compact and lightweight, perfect for those hard-to-reach spots. Its high-performance motor delivers serious power for a wide variety of tasks. This impact driver boasts a compact design, making it ideal for tight spaces. It's built to handle even the toughest jobs with ease. With its keyless blade clamp, changing blades is quick and easy. No more fumbling with tools or risking injury. This saw's powerful motor cuts through 2x4s at a 45-degree angle in one pass. It's the perfect tool for precise cuts. It delivers high power for cutting and grinding applications up to 8,000 RPM. Get the job done quickly and efficiently. With its 3-speed selector, you can easily adjust the speed to match the application. It's versatile and ready for any project. What we like. This kit provides a strong selection of tools for various applications, all powered by a high-performance motor. The quick blade change feature on some tools saves you valuable time. If you value efficiency and a variety of tools, this is the kit for you. What people say. I am a handyman and use my tools daily. I rely heavily on my power tools, and Dewalt does not let me down. My first set of Dewalt cordless tools was over 20 years ago. Those were used hard and mostly put up wet. Finally needed to break sewn and buy a new set. The old ones have been gifted to my son. I am impressed with the many improvements that Dewalt has made in all the tools. Smaller, lighter and more compact than the old ones. Better torque and power on all levels. Good quality and smart choice of items. Number 2. Dewalt DCK551D1M1 Combo Kit. This 4-tool combo kit is a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or professional. It's packed with power and versatility, making any job easier. It's designed to fit into tight spaces, and its lightweight design reduces fatigue during extended use. It delivers 300 UWO of power for various applications. This compact impact driver is also great for tight spaces, at only 5.55 inches front to back. It delivers impressive power and speed for driving screws and fasteners. Its keyless blade clamp makes blade changes quick and easy, saving you valuable time. No need to touch the blade or shaft. This saw's 6-to-1 2-inch carbide blade cuts through 2x4s at a 45-degree angle with ease. It's perfect for various cutting needs. With its 3-speed selector, you can easily adjust the speed to match the application. It provides precision and control for various tasks. What we like. This kit offers a solid selection of tools for various applications, all powered by a high-performance motor. The quick blade change feature on some tools saves you valuable time. If you value efficiency and a variety of tools, this is the kit for you. What people say. Liked the grip and that the weight of them was good. Be a nice set that will last long time on and off the job. These tools are lightweight and easy to use, making them perfect for quick tasks in places where bigger tools would be a pain to lug around. It was Dewalt, no aftermarket stuff. Number 1. Dewalt 20V Max 7-Tool Combo Kit. This kit is a game changer for any professional. It's packed with power and versatility, making any job easier. This drill boasts a high-speed transmission with 2 speeds for various applications. It's perfect for drilling and fastening. It features a one-handed loading system for quick bit changes. The integrated LED lights enhance visibility in any conditions. This flashlight illuminates your workspace with 110 lumens, ensuring you always have sufficient light. With its powerful 8,000 RPM motor, it's ideal for cutting and grinding tasks. It's built for efficiency and precision. This saw's carbide blade effortlessly cuts through 2x4s at a 45-degree angle in one pass. It's designed for clean, precise cuts. The keyless blade clamp makes blade changes quick and easy. It's designed for safety and convenience. This radio runs on our 12V 20V Max * batteries and features Bluetooth 4.0 for seamless connectivity. Enjoy your favorite music while you work. What we like. This compact kit offers a variety of tools for various applications, including a high-speed drill for efficient work. The bright LED lights enhance visibility in any situation. If you need a versatile and well-lit kit, this is the one for you. What people say. The work light and speaker seemed like fluff additions just to call it a 7-tool kit instead of 5, but they might be the two items I use most. Light and music enhance any project. The circular and reciprocating saws are awesome, especially with the 5Ah batteries. The Circ makes smooth cuts through 2-inch wood of all types, and the recipe is MacGyver of my toolbox, making brilliant cuts in situations that would otherwise stall a project for a period of time. The impact driver might be my new favorite tool, smooth, strong and compact. Get a good bit set, you'll make good use of it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.